How to buy VPS hosting? Click the link in the description. The Hostinger website will open. At the top, click Services and then select VPS hosting. After that, click the Claim Deal button. You will see different VPS hosting plans. These plans may be different depending on your country, but I highly recommend choosing minimum KVM 2 plan because it is the most popular plan. Now click Choose Plan. The cart page will open. At the top, select the duration. It is recommended to select minimum 12 months. Enable daily auto backup. This is important for VPS hosting. Select the server location. This is nearest to you for better speed. And next you will see the operating system option. This is optional, so you can leave it as default or choose according to your needs. And you will see that your 20% discount is already applied because you are using through my link. And click Continue. Create your account, add your basic details, and complete the payment. After the payment is completed, you will be redirected to the Hostinger dashboard where you can manage your VPS hosting.